Go. Hello everyone! We're going to make a DIY volcano.
The materials we needed are bottle, baking soda, food color, vinegar, and clay.
Now, let's proceed to our first step. First, we mix the clay with water.
Then, spread the clay on the bottle and make it volcanic. So, this is the final product that we made. But, we need to paint it to make it more realistic and beautiful.
So, this is the finished product that we made. See?
For the last step, we can track how the DIY volcano will erupt using these materials. First, we will put the baking soda inside the volcano. And we will put some food color.
This is the vinegar and we will pour it inside the bottle to explode. To erupt the volcano. Tatlo tayo.
Bigat. Why does baking soda and vinegar make a volcano erupt?
Because when baking soda is mixed with vinegar, something new is formed called carbon dioxide, which then produces the fizzing eruption. The mixture quickly foams up with carbon dioxide gas. If enough vinegar is used, all of the baking soda can be made to react and disappear into the vinegar solution.
Yay!
Thank you guys! Isa ba?
So,